Hey everyone, calling all you towable RV fans. I've got a great little camper for you today. Single axle, 17-foot floor plan, and it's got a lot of big features to it. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We got to get into this one. Come along with us. All right, but before we go inside and check out this awesome floor plan, let's hit some of the neat features that it has on it from the outside. For 2025, behind me is an Ozark 1670 RB. You have a bunch of storage up front. You have a nice big pass-through storage with a magnetic catch to be able to be hands-free as far as keeping the compartment door, not your gear, and throw all that stuff inside. We do have a portable satellite hookup if you want to do a portable satellite panel, so that way you can grab some 12 volt and throw back into that battery. Patio patty time is going to be fantastic with this big power adjustable awning. We have an LED strip here. As night sets in, we can create a nice vibe with hitting that, turning that on. And you're also going to be able to throw some tunes or TV if you choose. You got your 110 outlets outside that you can hook up some of your favorite appliances. We do have, of course, their standard furnace and your water heater, and this is your water inlet for your fresh water tank. So if you're boondocking, this is going to be your buddy. Take some water with you. We do have an outside shower that you'll be able to access not only your cold but also your hot water, be able to soap up, clean up before you get inside. And then for those that want a little bit extra out of their camper when you're towing it, they already have it prepped for a backup camera. So that way when you have your screen in your tow vehicle backing up, you don't have to worry about a backup buddy. As well as also the Lippert folding ladder, which is prepped and ready to go, braced, so that way you can get up on your roof and do some of your routine maintenance safely. And lastly, utility size. I love this floor plan. Everything's collected together. We have our black tank flush, our city connection water for at the campground, our cable inlet in case we want to get some TV stations that are local, your 30 amp electric cord, and last but not least, that dirty job, that black tank and gray tank valves, nicely color coded, and be able to take your stinky slinky over to the sewer. All right, welcome inside to the Ozark 1670 RB. Single axle, 17-foot floor plan, has a lot of space. And what I loved, immediately fell in love when I walked in, just the light, vibrant kind of open feeling to this. As we go through this video, you're gonna see big windows, a lot of, I guess, just space in general to make this camper really feel a lot bigger than 17 foot. As you walk inside your door, you're gonna have all your controls here to be able to check your tank levels, your battery level, and of course your power slide and power awning buttons to activate those easily. I love the little touches that they made, and starting first here is a little key hook with the kind of like a little shelf here that you can throw your keys just as you open the door. And another little touch that I saw as I was going through this camper was a cool little cute storage bins that they have. Of course, this is your big pass-through storage that you can access from the outside with those big compartment doors, but nice fold-up baskets. That way, I know a lot of times when I was camping, I would go inside, load up my bins, and bring them out here. So this is a nice touch that Ozark has put into the camper. And again, most small floor plans are small, they feel small. We have a full walk-around bed. So this is a big bonus here. So that way mom or dad isn't crawling over somebody on that side-to-side bed at night for the bathroom break. We've got a lot of storage at the top and to the sides. We have, of course, our shirt closets on both sides, as well as a very deep area back here. You can throw a lot of linen, some book bags, and pillows, etc., that you may just need to get out of the way during the day. Each side also, again, nice touch that they have electric as well as 12 volts. So that way we can charge our mobile devices and just kind of tuck away as we rest our heads for the night. Getting into the living area, again, small floor plan, something's always given. Not on here. Look how much space I have in the floor space. Imagine a rainy day, you guys are confined to the inside the camper, you've got some camping buddies with you. Man, you can easily have a great time in here and not feel cramped. Here on the door side, as you come in, you have your full kitchen. We're gonna have a 2-burner cooktop stove here, as well as, of course, a good old microwave at the top just to reheat or zap anything there as you will. Got a couple drawers that we can throw our utensils in, as well as like big deep storage area here below the sink. We can get a lot of our big pots and pans and maybe stow a little trash can or something out of the way. And finishing up with storage, nice tall storage area here above the sink. Did a great job with getting a big window here at the kitchen. Man, I can just see myself fixing my morning coffee or fixing up some meals, looking out patio side and just making sure my guests are entertained and having a great time. Cleanup is going to be a breeze with this big deep stainless steel sink. And again, another cover just to make a great continuation of all your counter space. Big 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. We've got the height, we've got the depth. We'll definitely be able to take a lot of food along with us for those long camping breaks. And as I said, the magic of this floor plan is this big slide out. Not only do we have a long slide out this way, but we have a big deep slide out. So that gives us all that floor space. But I love this U-shaped booth. Again, big window behind us, open it up, get a nice cross breeze. But the versatility of this booth is pretty cool. As you can see here, we have the table leg attached to the outside, and it conveniently spins around. So that way somebody needs to get to the back, or maybe it's just a dinner for two, or if I'm sitting here perhaps just kind of having conversation towards the outside, playing cards, having a morning coffee, etc. We definitely can move this around however it needs to fit. As well as you can always take this off and just use it as a nice U-shaped sofa if you're entertaining a lot of people. And lastly, again, the versatility to this continues with the bed. In case you do have those camping buddies and you need some extra sleeping space. As you can see in the back here, we have this cushion that can be removed as well as this, so we can have the traditional dinette, but we're gonna make sure that this is in place along with the cushion. And we're gonna take this down for the continuation of the bed part. Then what you'll be able to do is take your back cushions and fill in that void. And now we have a really long bed. I'm 6'1", I've got plenty of space here, and get a second adult in here, easily sleep too. And the last thing I want to show real quick before we move on, again, underneath both the dinette seats, we have a big amount of storage, so we can throw a lot of gear, camping gear in there as well. And if you just need some entertainment, they have provided a nice, what would you call that, like a connection plate for your TV that you can install here and to be able to watch some TV. There's a cable and even a HD satellite or an antenna on top to be able to get some local channels. All right, moving to the back. This is one of my favorite parts of this floor plan. Big bathroom, and I mean big. It's not only stretching to both sides, but we have a lot of depth here. So as you can see, we have a two-person sink, tons of storage below, and a nice touch here, a full width of the back wall here is all vanity space to throw a lot of toiletries in. So love, love, love this setup. And of course, I'm all about light and windows. They also enhance this back bathroom here with a big window, be able to allow some natural light. Of course, you've got your privacy curtain that you may need. Opposite, next to that is a big linens closet if you want to just maybe even use it as storage for your clothing. But again, that's the depth of this whole shower here. Imagine storing a lot of stuff in there. And speaking of the shower, again, the shower is nothing small about it. We've got plenty of elbow space. I've got plenty of head height, although my head's a little bit into the bubble and I'm 6'1", but man, I could easily and comfortably take a shower here as I may need. So what do you think, guys? Again, small floor plan, but it's got a lot of big functionality to it. All right, so what do you think about this little trailer? Single axle, 17-foot floor plan. It comes in at a little bit over 4,000 pounds. Big slide out, big bathroom, full walk around bed. Man, I know this checks off a lot of boxes for me if I was shopping today. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, for 2025, this is the Ozark 1670 RB. Make sure you hit the like button if you like the video. We want to hear your first impressions, or maybe if you're interested in this camper, certainly ask some questions. We'll get you some answers. And everybody show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.